Hey everyone, welcome back to the third video at Cloud Ops Central, and my name is James. Today we're setting up billing alerts for our AWS account. Billing alerts are essential not only for cost management but also for security. They will help you monitor your usage and can possibly catch unsuspected charges like if someone were to hijack your AWS account. Now, before we move forward, I want to go ahead and let you know that you can follow me at cloud.central.net or on YouTube at Cloud Ops Central, and I also have my own personal website at jamesking.info. So let's go ahead and get started and head on over to your AWS console. If you're using AWS, you know it's easy for costs to get out of hand. Setting up billing alerts is a simple yet powerful way to stay on top of your account's charges. These alerts notify you when your usage reaches certain thresholds, helping you avoid surprise bills. And you can act fast if someone were to compromise your account. You might say, well, James, last week you taught us how to do multi-factor authentication, MFA, to keep that from happening. Yes, I did. And that is a good point. Now, you can also set up billing alert usages just in case something does happen. Before I show you how to set up a budget, let's just do a quick recap on multi-factor authentication and why that's important to secure your account, especially in today's big push for cybersecurity. Multi-factor authentication does add an extra layer of protection by requiring a second authentication factor like a code from your phone. This means even if an attacker does compromise your password, they still shouldn't be able to access your account without the second factor. In other words, they would have to have your phone or a key fob or your email address if you chose email in order to get that. MFA is a crucial part of both cybersecurity and your cloud security posture, especially in a production environment. So always enable MFA to secure your account. Now, let's go ahead and set up our budget. And if you notice, I've already been at the billing and cost management, so it is in my recently visited. However, it might not be in yours, so let's go up here to billing. Click on billing, and we want to look at billing and cost management. We're going to go ahead and click on billing and cost management, and we're going to look over here on the right hand side of the page, at least that's where it is now, and click on budget status where it says setup required. Once we click on setup required, it'll bring up the type of budget for us to choose from. We can use a template or we can customize and make our own. For our demonstration, we're going to keep it simple, and we're going to use a template that's already been set up by AWS. Now, there are 4 different ones we can look at. A zero spend, a monthly cost, which is the one we're going to look at, a daily savings plan, and a daily reservation budget. If you notice, when we do zero spend, we have an email address if I want to go ahead and set that up. That way I don't spend any money at all. And if I do, then it's going to notify me when it exceeds 1 penny. However, for my case, I want to do a monthly budget. I don't want 100. I'm not rich. Let's change it to $25. And let's go ahead and put in the email address. If you recall, I am using Henson Tim at gmail.com. And again, don't try to reach me here. I won't respond to you. This is just for setting up AWS accounts. Now, it says you will be notified when your actual spend reaches 85%, 2, your actual spend reaches 100%, and 3, if your forecasted spend is expected to reach 100%. Now, Since it is a free account, I shouldn't spend anything, but maybe I want to fire up an EC2 instance that is above the free tier, or maybe I want to add S3 bucket, simple storage bucket, so that I can store some files on here, whatever the cost. I want to be notified if it's going to reach $25, and I want to know when I'm getting close, which it will by notifying me at 85%. So I'm going to go ahead and create my budget, and there's my budget. That's simple. All you have to do, set up your budget, and get your email notifications. Once you set it up, your notifications will arrive by email whenever your usage reaches the threshold you set. I suggest you simulate usage or monitor it over time to make sure you're getting your alerts as expected. And again, why do billing alerts matter? Billing alerts are more than just about saving money. If your account is hijacked, someone could quickly rack up unsuspected charges by launching large instances or using expensive services. By setting up billing alerts, you can catch this unauthorized activity and stop it before the bill gets out of control. And that's it. We've set up billing alerts to help you monitor your AWS usage and ensure your account stays within budget. This is an important part of cloud security posture because it lets you stay informed about unsuspected activity on your accounts. Now, if you liked this video or you found it helpful, please make sure you hit the like and subscribe. And remember, you can always follow me at CloudOps Central, cloudopscentral.net, or jamesking.info.